We can skip defining custom delegates like this logic pointer here. Instead, we can use some already available delegates from the framework. As you can see, these delegates all take generic arguments as parameter, and in case of func it returns a generic type, whereas for the action it returns a void and the predicate returns a bool. The predicate syntax and our custom delegate syntax looks same, so if I replace our logic pointer here with a predicate, all we have to do is to tell it to take an integer type parameter, and if I run my application here, as you can see, the result is same as before. We can also replace this predicate now with this func delegate, and in this case I'll also have to define the return type, which is a bool. So as you can see, it's a out type parameter, and if I run this application again, my result will be same as before. We don't have any example for this action delegate yet, but let me create a function called printer right here, and as you can see, it takes the numbers array, and the anonymous function just prints out the current number with a tab against it. So let me define this printer function here so that it can take the numbers array, and as you can see, as the second parameter I'm defining an action which takes an integer type parameter. So if I just iterate over those numbers and use this delegate to print the number, it will print the numbers and add a tab against each of one of them. So as you can see, all of those numbers are printed on my console, but it also contains a tab. I can replace this tab character with a new line, and my numbers will be printed in a new line. So if I run this application, as you can see, the numbers from 1 to 10 is printed here, and the second part is coming from here.